Welcome back to Get Updated Now, and here we have a sports bar that come from Ride Bite. They make different types of nutrition bar and other things which are like keto friendly or good for people who are on a diet. So this one is almond mocha electrolyte quinoa oats with 21 vitamins and minerals. Now this is what they say, that they're all natural ingredients and no preservatives, and green is for vegan. Now I was really happy to get this because people who are on keto or who are trying to follow a proper diet are always happy to get this kind of ready stuff. So this is like a breakfast cereal bar, and you see the ingredients here. Now what caught my eye was sugar, and you see the sugar is like almost 6.9 grams. It's here. And then vegetable oil milk solids. Now do you think vegetable oil or edible vegetable oil is a good ingredient for a sports bar? So I would just say that it's better to check if it's like good. And then liquid glucose, brown rice syrup. I mean, is it okay to consume all this together and in this size? I mean, people who are following a diet might know, because I heard some of the nutritionists saying that vegetable oil is even more harmful than sugar or all-purpose flour. So I think it's better to get some more information on this before consuming anything like this that claims to be a sports bar or something that is with no preservatives or good ingredients for sports or for energy. I mean, if I think if we take this in large quantity, or if we take this daily, or make it as this like a regular part of our routine, our diet routine, then it might be harmful. You see, there are several things that might catch your attention as well. So just a few things that I wanted to mention. I hope you like the video, and please comment if you think that I'm wrong and this is something like which we shouldn't think about. All right, thank you for watching.